C# static class. The static keyword is used to define members that belong to the class itself, not to any object instance. Static members can be accessed without creating an instance of the class. Static fields are variables shared across the entire application. There is only one copy of a static field for the class. Static methods operate on static members and don't require objects. Cannot use this inside static methods. Cannot directly access instance members. Similar to static fields but include getters, setters. Useful for global shared access with encapsulation. Used to initialize static members. Called once before any static member access or first instance creation. Cannot have parameters or access modifiers. A static class can contain only static members. Cannot be instantiated, no new. All methods, properties, and fields inside must be static. Must be declared with static keyword. No instance members allowed. Cannot be instantiated. Cannot be inherited, sealed. Can include a static constructor. This is the end of the C# static class. Thank for listening.